Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell so you get all the updates and the new events coming to the channel. Thanks. Alright, let's check out some of the flight footage of the Extreme Flight Laser 60 size on 6S. It is a powerhouse of an airplane. Check it out. What model is that airplane? It's Extreme Flight Laser. Wow. Is that like a 60 size or a 60 size? Wow. 6S? Jeez. 6S is the sweet spot, I believe. The affordable sweet spot. It's pretty quick. Got plenty of power too, jeez. It's always good to overpower them, I think. Even scale aircraft, I think you should overpower them because when you get in trouble, you can always get yourself out. Again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe so you get all the updates and the new videos that we have coming soon. Thanks.